This is Greg Chumley demonstrating how Ricoh TotalFlow Prep can be used to prepare some typical booklet and anthology jobs. I'll open TotalFlow Prep, create a new job, and select a PDF file. What you see is the sheet view. Notice that these are statement-sized pages. Now we'll go to Impose, click on Booklet, select the desired sheet size, and since the originals are already statement size, there is no need to scale them. I select dual stapling, switch to the reader view, and page through it to check that it looks right. And it's ready to print. As quick and simple as that was, I can streamline it even further if I get a lot of jobs like this, by saving it as an automation preset. Let's do it and see what happens. I'll save this entire process as a preset named Statement Booklet on Letter. I can define a hot folder where I can drop files to run through this process, or I can just call it right from here. I need to define where to send the process file. It could be printed or saved. And, of course, I could also imply image cleanup for scan jobs or even call Ultimate Impo Strip for even more advanced impositioning, but I don't need any of that for this job, so I'm done. Let's do another booklet job and see how this works. This time, when I open TotalFlow Prep, I'll click Build Job. I select one or more files and select the preset I just defined. Now, with no other clicks, my job opens already set up as a booklet. I can page through it in Reader View to verify that it works, and to print it, I just click the green button at the top right of the screen. That's it. I can even see that it is in the queue by clicking on the alerts icon next to the print button. Now let's take a quick look at another typical type of job, anthologies. Anthologies are collections of multiple files which need to be compiled together. Some common examples include university course packs, board agendas, and budget proposals. These can be painful and time-consuming to prepare, and clients rarely want to pay for this value-added service. Here's one example. A client has several PDF files which she wants combined with labeled tabs inserted before each file. I'm going to build a job, but this time I'm going to select multiple files. I'm not going to apply a preset this time, but I am going to auto-create tabs and chapters using the file name for the labels. I'll click Create, and TotalFlow Prep compiles this into a single document with tabs and chapters. I can jump to a chapter by clicking on the bookmark icon along the bottom and then page through the document. Notice that it is automatically inserted and labeled tabs at the correct places. Bleed tabs are another popular application. Let's close this and use the same files to create a bleed edge tab job. Again, I'm going to build a job with the same 4 files, but this time I'm not going to auto-create tabs, just the chapters. Once the compiled document opens, I click Insert, Bleed Edge Tabs, and an option screen appears. TotalFlow Prep has used the chapter names to program bleed edge tabs along the edges of each page in each chapter. I can manually move them, change the pattern, font, text, or color, and even the shape of the tab. When I'm happy, click OK, and I can see how they'll appear on the pages. That's it. In a couple of minutes, I showed you how easy it is to use TotalFlow Prep to perform Make-Ready on 3 typical applications. My next video will walk you through how the solution handles scan cleanup and multi-up business card and ticketing jobs.